Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of mixture separation? Imagine being able to separate different substances with ease. Today, we will delve into essential lab skills and practices that students and educators need for effective mixture separation experiments. Mixture separation is vital in chemistry and everyday life. It lets us isolate components in a mixture. This knowledge is not only practical but also crucial for various scientific applications, from cooking to environmental safety. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Essential separation tools include filter paper, separation funnels, and centrifuges. Each tool serves a unique purpose in the separation process. For instance, filter paper is great for separating solids from liquids. Next, let's discuss safety. Always wear gloves and goggles when handling chemicals. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized. This prevents accidents and ensures accurate results. Familiarize yourself with the location of safety equipment, like eyewash stations and fire extinguishers. Now, let's break down the separation process into clear steps. Start with identifying the mixture you want to separate. For example, sand and salt create a solid liquid mixture. Measure your components accurately to ensure successful separation. Once you're ready, use the appropriate tool for your mixture. For our sand and salt example, dissolve the mixture in water. Stir it well, enabling the salt to dissolve. This creates a solution that can be separated effectively. After you've mixed, pour the solution through filter paper in a funnel. The sand stays on top while the salt water passes through. Collect the salt water in a clean container. This simple method illustrates the principle of filtration. If you're dealing with liquids, like oil and water, use a separation funnel. Carefully pour the mixture into the funnel. The denser liquid settles at the bottom. Open the tap to release it, leaving the lighter liquid behind. This is known as liquid-liquid separation. To reinforce learning, let's consider an example. Imagine separating a salad dressing. Oil and vinegar don't mix well, just like some mixtures in chemistry. Using a separation funnel, you can quickly separate the two layers. This rings true in many real-world situations. In summary, mixture separation is a crucial lab skill. Equip yourself with the right tools. Prioritize safety in all your experiments. Follow clear steps for effective separation and practice with real-life examples. Ready to start your hands-on experiments? Gather your tools and remember these practices. Dive into the world of mixture separation today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science tips and tutorials. Happy experimenting!